Welcome. In this chapter, we will explore the fascinating world of input-output devices and interrupts. These components play a crucial role in enabling communication between the computer and the outside world. Let's dive in and learn more. Input-output devices. A computer interacts with the external environment through input and output devices. On the input side, we have devices such as keyboards, mice, and sensors. Keyboards allow users to input text and commands, while mice enable cursor movement and selection on the screen. Sensors, on the other hand, collect data from the environment, such as temperature, light, or motion. On the output side, we have devices like monitors, printers, and speakers. Monitors display visual information and the output generated by the computer. Printers produce hard copies of documents or images. Speakers, on the other hand, output audio and sound effects. Together, these input and output devices allow users to interact with the computer and receive information from it. I/O interfaces and communication. In order for input and output devices to communicate with the computer, specific interfaces and communication methods are used. One common method is parallel communication, where data is transmitted simultaneously using multiple data lines. Parallel communication is often used for connecting devices like printers, where high-speed data transfer is required. Another method is serial communication, where data is transmitted sequentially using a single data line. Serial communication is commonly used for connecting devices like mice and keyboards, as well as for long-distance communication. Serial communication is often slower than parallel communication, but offers advantages such as simplicity and lower cost. Interrupts and interrupt handling. Interrupts are an important mechanism in computer systems that allow the computer to respond to external events in a timely manner. Interrupts can be generated by hardware devices or by software programs. When an interrupt occurs, the normal execution of the program is temporarily suspended, and control is transferred to an interrupt handler. Interrupt handlers are specific routines that handle different types of interrupts. They are responsible for processing the interrupt, performing any necessary actions, and returning control to the interrupted program. Interrupt handling allows the computer to handle events that require immediate attention, such as keyboard inputs or incoming data from a network. We hope you found this lesson on input/output and interrupts informative. Understanding how input and output devices interact with the computer and how interrupts are handled is crucial for building efficient and responsive computer systems. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking it and sharing it with others who may find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about future lessons and updates. Thank you for joining us in this chapter, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in the next lesson.